Feel like you don't have enough space in your kitchen, especially counter shelf space. Well, if you've ever lived in an apartment, you know that struggle.
Absolutely. Well, there's a new gadget out there that says it'll give you more space, no tools or assembly required. It's called the stove shelf, but can it withstand the heat? Let's find out in Bargain or Bust.
If you live in an apartment, you know the struggle when it comes to lack of space, especially storage space. I live in a one-bedroom apartment, and as a renter, not only is there a lack of storage space in all of my appliances and oils, but I can't exactly install shelving or make renovations to maximize my kitchen space. But there is a product that I can use that requires no installation or drilling holes into the wall. Stove shelf may be the answer. It's a magnetic shelf attachment that fits your kitchen stove. No tools or installation required. But can it hold all this while remaining sturdy and not burn while the oven is in use? Well, let's put it to the test. The shelf I received was the black 30-inch model. Their patented magnet tech allowed me to set up the shelf in 3 simple steps. Take it out of the box, set it on the stove, and that's it. Admire your handiwork. Next, I placed all of my items on the stove shelf. I decided to put all of my oils and cooking supplies of what I use most. So now that everything's in place, let's test the stability of the shelf. I pushed and wiggled the shelf just slightly, and it appears to be sturdy. The backing on the shelf also allows all my bottles and spices to remain on the shelf and not fall backward. Now let's see if the shelf heats up when I turn on the oven. I left the oven on for about 15 minutes. And the stove shelf didn't even get hot. There's also no signs of damage on any of the bottles or plastic containers. So far, stove shelf holds up. But would a stove shelf work in a home setting too? Stove shelf also sent me a white and stainless steel model, so I gave them to some friends to test out in their homes. Todd received the stainless steel model, and it looks like everything is sitting perfectly on the shelf to add a bit of organization and style to his newly renovated kitchen. Molly took the white shelf. Even though she has a curved stovetop, the shelf still sat nicely to hold all of her kitchen necessities. She said it not only keeps everything organized, but it's easy to clean after cooking a meal.
So as you can see, the stove shelf delivers exactly what it promises. Not only is it saving me a ton of counter space in my apartment, but it's also giving me a nice little shelf on my stove for all of my oils, spices, and herbs for easy access for cooking. So I highly recommend this product for people who live in apartments or have just limited space in their kitchens. So with all that in mind, I'm going to say the stove shelf is a bargain.
Got 2 thumbs up there.
Yeah. And you love it.
Yeah, it works really
its
well.
Praises.
I really do like it. Yeah, the stove shelf comes in 20-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch models. You can find them on Amazon or just learn more at stoveshelf.com.